traffic, 719 Whiskey Echoes, turning base for 36 Hendricks County.
Yeah, he's ready to land, so we'll wait for him. There he is up there. Hendricks County traffic, Skyhawk 678 Romeo Bravo will be holding short at 36 for the landing traffic in Hendricks County.
You can go ahead and go, sir. We'll extend our downwind.
I appreciate it. Hendricks County, Skyhawk 678 Romeo Bravo is taking off runway 36, planning on west departure, Hendricks County. What's your lid there, bud? There you go. Those bumps are just bumps in the air. They're nothing at all.
Yeah, it's a little bit different. Smaller craft. Hendricks County traffic, 19 Whiskey Echoes, on final 36 Hendricks County. I remember some turbulence, larger craft where you actually came down, your stomach dropped.
Yeah, but higher it gets worse. Hendricks County traffic, Skyhawk 678 Romeo Bravo's left crosswind, runway 36. We're going to be departing out to the west, Hendricks County.
Pumpkin.
Got a field out there?
Yeah, pumpkin field down there.
We always got to watch this hospital down here because they have medical helicopters landing, but I don't see anybody. If you want a little bit of air, you can adjust these to the left to put air on you.
Huh?
We got to level off at 2,000 for a minute so we get outside of the airspace. That purple line,
Yep.
that's when we get outside that, we can climb. That's the other airplane that's landing. You see him, the return right there?
Yeah.
He's 900 feet below us. He's leaning back there. He was the one that let us take off before him.
So, who all can hear our talking, our conversation?
Everybody on this frequency. So we share this with several other airports and so forth. Once we get away from the airport, we have to shift over to the Coast Guard frequency, thanks to 9/11. That's so military airplanes can talk to us. Hendricks County traffic, Skyhawk 678 Romeo Bravo is 2 to the west, climbing through 2,200, departing the field, Hendricks County.
In your regional traffic light.
And now we need to go to 121.5. That's the Coast Guard frequency.
I had no idea there were nice houses in this area.
Oh, yeah. There, climb up to about 3,000 and get above some of this bumpiness. That's a beautiful day, though. It's just bumpy down low. The winds up here aren't too bad. It's 17 knots coming right out of that way. See, this shows our wind right here, right, and the direction it's coming from, so it's slowing us down a little bit. Cool.
Against the wind right now.
Yeah, when we come back, we'll be having it pushing us back, though. It's always a good thing. Why don't you go ahead and grab a hold of the controls with me here?
Sure.
Yep. And just follow along with me. We're going to do a couple turns here real quick. We always kind of look out to the right just to make sure we don't have anybody over there. And I don't see anybody on the screen turns are just real easy. Unlike a car, you just kind of ease the wheel over, the yoke, and then you just kind of hold it, and then when you want to straighten out, you just come back around. And the main difference in the airplane is that you have to keep your altitude at the same time that you're turning. And so our altitude displayed here, we're about 3,100 feet. And when there's nothing displayed in that box, you're holding your altitude. If we start going down, you'll see it showing that we're in a descent,
Right.
how many feet we're falling. And similarly, if we start climbing, it'll go up with the positive. We'll stay on there with me. And then we'll turn to the left the same way. Again, it's just a nice, easy, everything in the airplane is just nice, gentle, easy motions. And the turning angle, 30 degrees, which is about right here, is about the most we ever want to turn. We can do 45 degrees, but it starts to become difficult because the airplane wants to drop. And then again, straighten it up, you can see we're pretty well, we're within 100 feet of where we were at on our altitude. And then keeping it straight and level, the best way I always do is just to look at the distance and the horizon between the cowling and the horizon. You almost don't even need the instruments. So go ahead and grab a hold of there. It's going to be your airplane in a second. All right, it's your airplane. Just hold it straight. And go. We're going to head straight out west there, following that road.
Lake down there.
We're at, on the left, that's Heritage Lake. That's a private lake. There's a Raccoon Lake is out here due west where we go boating sometimes. Yeah, you're doing fine. Holding your altitude. And then to get it back over, just turn back to the left there. Straighten it up. It's really pretty out here in the summertime. It's all green. All right, I'm going to have you engage the autopilot, so I got the airplane.
Okay.
Do you see the AP button?
Nope.
Before you hit that, you see the heading knob right above that, HDG? Right here?
Nope.
Push that straight in.
Okay.
Yep, that clears it out. Now hit the autopilot button.
Okay.
And now the plane's got it. Now you're going to hit the HDG button below the autopilot. Yep, and the ALT for the altitude. Yep. And now it's going to hold our altitude and our heading, and then the plane's got itself. We can program in any airport that we want. It'll fly us right to the airport. This has got all the avionics that the big planes have, so this will do everything instrument-wise the big planes will do.
Pretty awesome.
And then change the heading. When it's on that, we change it by turning the knob and change our heading, and the plane will turn and follow whatever heading we put in. 270 is about due west, so we're about 270, 271 or something like that. Almost due west.
So where is this covered Bridge Festival at?
It's in Rockville, so we're about 10 minutes from it. If I take the range on the map out a little bit. See where the Cecil Hardy Lake is?
Yeah.
That's Raccoon Lake. So it's about 13 miles ahead. And then the Covered Bridge Festival is just beyond that.
Never even heard of it.
Well, a lot of people just don't come out to it because it's such a hassle getting to. Go ahead and take us out. Away from the bumpiness again.
Altimeter 3051.
That hasn't changed. Hendricks County traffic, Scott 678 Romeo Bravo is about 10 to the west, 3,500 inbound landing runway 36 full stop Hendricks County. See, we're 9 miles from the airport and I've got it in sight, so visibility's a little bit hazy, but not too bad. Richmond area traffic, 376. Quebec Sierra, you see we're on the same frequency as Richmond. You hear Richmond traffic talking way out east there, you know. You know where Richmond's at?
No, I've been there.
It's by the Ohio border. It's like the last city you would run into in Indiana before hitting the Ohio.
Traffic.
false indications that keep coming up, and we're not sure why. See, I thought that was a plane, but it's annoying because once in a while it just comes up there and yells at you like there's a plane close. There's not.
There's the traffic. Runway 33.
So we're in descent. We have to get. Now that's a plane. He's probably coming in to land in Indianapolis.
Right.
He's 3,000 feet above us, and he's descending.
Why does it say plus 2,500 feet above us?
Right, right. He's going in to land in Indianapolis. He's moving fast too, so that's going to be a jet.
Well, faster than us?
Oh yeah, he's moving faster than us. There's the pyramids, on the north side of Indianapolis. You can see the light reflecting off of them.
Huh. Yeah, Michigan.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's the pyramids there. One of the most visible things up here when you can always pull out that landmark usually of anything.
Livestock down here. Cows.
Hendricks County traffic, Scott 678 Romeo Bravo is left downwind, runway 36, full stop, Hendricks County. Hendricks County traffic, Scott 678 Romeo Bravo is left base, runway 36, full stop, Hendricks County. Hendricks County traffic, Skyhawk 678 Romeo Bravo is turning final, runway 36, full stop, Hendricks County. You see that flap lever there by your legs? We put the flaps right there. We put that all the way up for me, please. Thanks, sir. Couldn't even feel that landing, could you?
Nope.
No, bumpy landing. Wind was kind of bumpy. Hendricks County traffic, Skyhawk 678 Romeo Bravo is clearly active, Hendricks County. I'll give you a little taste of it anyway then, huh?